హాయ్ మామాంగం 16th సెంచరీ అంటే 16వ శతాబ్దంలో జరిగినటువంటి ఒక రియల్ హిస్టరీని మన మమ్ముట్టి సార్ ఇప్పుడు విజువల్గా మన ముందుకు తీసుకురాబోతున్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ సినిమా గురించి బోల్డ్ అని విషయాలు మనందరితో షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఇప్పుడు మన లెజెండ్ మమ్ముట్టి సార్తో పాటుగా హీరో ఉని ముకుందన్ అండ్ అలాగే 2 బ్యూటిఫుల్ హీరోయిన్స్ అండ్ లిటిల్ స్టార్ అచ్యుతన్ మనతో ఉన్నారు. ఏమాత్రం లేట్ చేయకుండా మామాంగం ఫుల్ డీటెయిల్స్ వాళ్ళ మాటల్లోనే విందామా? హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. హలో మమ్ముట్టి సార్, నమస్తే. హాయ్, హౌ ఆర్ యు ఆల్?
बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छे.
थैंक
यू सो मच.
వెల్కమ్ మమ్ముట్టి సార్. మామాంగం 40 years మీ కెరియర్లో ఎన్నో వండర్స్, ఎన్నో వండర్ఫుల్ పిక్చర్స్, ఎన్నో బ్లాక్ బాస్టర్స్. వాట్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ అదర్ ఫిలిమ్స్ అండ్ మామాంగం?
You said wonders. I did not make any wonder at all. We are trying to make a very sincere film with our maximum effort we could. This is a part of the history happened in Kerala. Maybe from 16th century to 18th century. It's about betrayal, revenge, love, romance, emotions, everything is there. It's not just a documentation of history. See, we have emotional, we have the life in the history, life behind the history. The people who fought for some cause in the history. So, that's it.
Mukundan ji, we know you. Because Bhagamati and Janata
You don't know me?
All Indian cinema know you, sir. So before your films Janata Garage and Bhagamati, two different type of characters, and Mamangam is one more different. Yeah. So what about your characterization?
Thank you. I mean, like I just try to make sure that as an actor I try to create an opportunity for myself wherein I can do something very different. And to be very frank, this is my 4th film with Mammuka. I think there are many actors who have had the opportunity to work with him regularly, but I am one of the very few actors who have received the opportunity to do varied characters with him. And when it came to Mamangam, I played the role of Chandrot Panikkar. He was one of the celebrated warriors back then, 400 years back, along with Achyutan, who was playing a very pivotal role in the movie.
Actually, Achyutan is our hero.
Yeah.
He is a celebrated hero.
Yeah.
There is a monument in his name already. That is really high.
So to have got the opportunity to do something of this sort, see, first of all, the period dramas or costume drama doesn't happen as often in Malayalam as in other industries, and it is very difficult to create that kind of a canvas. So when someone like Mammuka agrees to be a part of it, it also offers actors like me an opportunity to be a part of that kind of cinema. Mammuka is the only actor in Malayalam to have done the historic parts, like he has done Vadakkan Veeragatha and Parshi Raja. These are one of the very prime movies which discusses the ethnic Kerala culture. So when something of this sort happened, I was so glad that I am just happy that when Mamangam is representing Malayalam on a national level, I am happy to be a part of it. So all thanks to him, because it's very rare that this happens, and you need a face that can be sold across the nation. He's done, Mammuka has already done Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam. Everyone knows him, so it is much easier in terms of business as well. So for me or for people like us, it is very just to showcase the talent and grab the opportunity and do the best. I just hope that people like the film and equally in Telugu, because I have got serious love from the Telugu audiences and the industry as well. I hope the Telugu version does well here.
Mutti sir, జనరల్గా టిపికల్ మలయాళీ ఫిలిం అంటే ట్రైలర్ చూసినా అలాంటి ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంది. మరి తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్కి ఇది ఎంతవరకు రీచ్ అవుతుందంటారు ఫిలిం?
Telugu, that should reach the public. Like, see, emotions have no language. Emotion itself is a language. So I think it will reach beyond the history, beyond the documentation, beyond the story. The emotion of the characters should reach beyond it.
So emotions ki no language.
Yeah.
Nice. So Prachi, you are a sports player and you performance well and you dance, all are good.
First of all, I would like to tell everyone that I had never aspired to become an actor ever in my life before becoming an actor.
Then why did you come?
So I'll tell you, that's where I'm coming. So I played basketball for Delhi for 8 years.
You're playing a basketball player in this film?
No. And then I also played netball for India for 4 years, and I was working for Accenture as a consultant when acting happened to me. So I was given an opportunity by a very good production house, very big production house from Bombay named as Shashi Sumit Productions for a very big show on Star Plus named as Diya Aur Baati Hum. And that's how I took it as an opportunity to do something new. I thought that I can always go back, but an opportunity like this comes very rarely in anybody's life. So I took it as an opportunity. 3 days I changed my city, changed my profession, became an actor on the national television. For 7 months, I didn't know only what was happening to my life because everything changed. City changed, culture changed, a profession which I was exposed to for the very first time. I'd never acted ever in my life before, and in that process, I realized that I'm enjoying it. And that's when I got to meet Vivek, who is our executive producer. And in 2016, I met him. And after 2 years, while I was working for my second Star Plus show, already done 2 Punjabi films in between. And that's when Mamangam happened to me. I was auditioned for the role of Unni Maya. And I was shortlisted, selected. I still remember the 3rd day when I met Mamuka on the sets while shooting, and it is an honor to work with Mamuka, make my debut with Mamuka in South, and that too in a film like Mamangam, which is a first film which is going national. For the very first time in 4 languages, and also the biggest Malayalam film ever being made. So I feel very fortunate, and if I talk about my character, it's a very versatile character in the terms that being a debutant, the kind of things I'm getting to do. Like I'm not a classical dancer. You've seen me performing on a song like Mukuti. We are doing Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Mohiniyattam, everything together. So it was fairly challenging for a person like me who has been a sports person. I don't have a body language of a dancer, but a sports person. So it was really difficult for me to,
Do you observe any differences in sports industry or acting industry?
honestly, film industry is more challenging, physically, mentally, emotionally, because you need to be, other than physically fit and look beautiful, I think, and look smart on screen, I think what is the most important is that you need to be mentally very strong, because you might have a project today, but you don't know what you will be working on next. So that patience you need to keep, that dedication with what you really need to keep working and find out good opportunities for yourself. And once you've already set a benchmark for yourself, you want to go ahead in your career. So I think considering a lot of factors is when an actor chooses to work for a film. So I think Mamangam in every way, I always say it that it's not a project or a film for me, it has been a journey. And Mamuka, more than being a legend, and I recently came across this compliment that Mamuka is an emotion for people of Kerala, which I felt it is such a beautiful thing to say to an artist. So I really felt good about it. I get goosebumps when I got goosebumps when I really heard fans saying it for Mamuka. It is a wonderful compliment. That's what this industry gives you, the kind of love and support from fans. And I got this really amazing team, starting from producer to director to working with Mamuka. The entire team. Achu is sitting here. He's like my younger brother. We used to fight. We used to, have so much memories together because we've been together since 2 years in this film in Mamangam. So Mamangam in every way will always be very, very special to my heart. And yes, finally the big day is coming, 12th of December, when the film is getting released, and I'm very excited about it. The entire team worked really hard. I still remember just to experience the Mamangam set, because I was not a part of the fight sequence. So I specially flew down from Bombay to Kochi to see how the set is, how big the set is. It was over 21 acres of land, and when I entered in the main area, it was never ending. I mean, the car didn't stop only. I was like, where are we going? And it was huge. And I was like, I felt really great to be a part of a project like Mamangam, and that too in my first film. I think Achu and me, we are the 2 people who are debuting with Mamangam. So I think I'm really blessed and fortunate to have such a beautiful team, such a good team, and everybody is so supportive. I don't think I can get a better opportunity to, you know, raise bar for myself in my acting career.
Finished.
That was an Oscar speech.
Oscar goes to.
Achu, say something about Mammootty sir and your sisters.
Me and Prachi ma'am joined the film 2 years before, and we were like brother and sister. She
Oh,
was
she is your younger brother, sister?
no. She cared me like her younger brother, and we were like friends. We used to fight a lot. We used to eat a lot in the caravans, and we
You especially fight a lot, I think.
yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes.
Mamuka precisely asked him to do 50 push-ups every day because he's playing a warrior, no?
So he started with 10, and then Mamuka asked him to, you know, increase 5 every week, so that what was the final count? 30 maximum, 50 maximum. Now it's all gone.
Like he's a trained
In the
martial
process
artist.
of
and
Yeah, yeah.
post-production, it is all gone.
He will not talk much. He is a performer, more on screen. Yeah.
That day one boy was supposed to do fights with him, and he was telling why she is not doing it.
There are other
Ask her
kids
to
as
do
well.
it.
Instead of he,
Ask her to
she.
show me. He thought she is a girl.
యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ హిస్టరీని రీక్రియేట్ చేయడం అన్నది చాలా కాంప్లికేటెడ్ థింగ్. సో అది మీరు దగ్గరుండి ఏమైనా టేక్ కేర్ చేశారా?
Either we don't have any what do you call it? Graphics
Yes.
sets. Everything is real. Everything is organic.
Yes.
Of course, there is some support from the graphic division, but everything is original, real, and that you can see it from the trailer itself.
Without graphics possible.
We created the
Possible,
entire.
we made it possible. That's all.
You'll see it on the screen.
Yeah. But that's why 21
We are in
acres.
graphic world, right?
21 acres, one huge. There are three more sets. This is the biggest set, where Mamangam is happening, and that is in 21 acres. You know how much time they spent? 1,500 workers for 7 months, and lot of food,
1,500
lot of hard work, lot of strain, lot of time.
So
See,
we had
we are
30
shooting 2 Mamangams with 30 plus 30, 40, 60 days. So many people, more than 1,000 junior artists, original, no multiplication, nothing like that. We all fight original fights. No dupes were used mostly, and almost all
We
were
had 30
trained fighters.
Night shoots.
Night
entire
shoots every day. Night is happening in the night. Nights. Again, we got the Kalari artists from almost all the Kalaris in Kerala. So it is made big, and I think it should be looking good, big also.
Yes. మై నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్, మీరు యాక్టింగ్ మీ క్యారెక్టర్ వరకే చూసుకున్నారా, ప్రొడక్షన్ ఇవన్నీ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యారా అని
No.
అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నాను. బట్ ద థింగ్ ఈజ్,
Acting is only acting, but I can see things now.
మీరు ఇంత క్లియర్ గా చెప్తున్నారంటే అన్ని
But I know this producer is close to me, and I can see what's happening before me. See, these things are not actually. See, in the meantime, I'm shooting for some other film. Sometimes I'll be visiting set, and I'll just will be
Who will
supervising
take care of everything?
It's only the production, not me. I have nothing to do with that. But sometimes, being the lead actor, sometimes they will be consulting with me. We can do. When can we do? Are you interested to see the sets and how this much progress is there? This much progress is there. What do you want to watch? I'm timely. If I get time, I watch. That's why I'm very confident. I'm very sure about it. It is real.
And Inia, say something about your director and your characterization.
Mamangam director is Papan sir, and I worked with him before in
What is Papan? I think
Ratna Kumar.
Ratna Kumar. I call
Kumar
it
short.
I call it Papan sir or Papetan means brother like that. So I worked with him in a Malayalam movie called Akasha Mittai, and with his crew also, like assistants and all. So I know him through that movie, and Mamuka also I worked with previously 2 movies, which is Parole and Puttanpanam, and this is my 3rd movie working with him, and I feel that pedda lucky inta group that technical crew members is very attractive, because everybody is like efficient in their own field, and they are like shortlisted and filtered all the departments. Like, it was an amazing crew members. And telling about the making of the movie, I think we were not born at that time, like the 800 century, like
I was
80
there. I
years.
was there.
Like no, this is a visual experience we can feel
there.
in this
I'm
movie
300
that
years old.
Mamangam is recreated. And I know this subject through my when I studied in my school. So we young generation, we know about through the books, actually, through the reference, through the books, but it's like more than imagination actually, but that imagination is created through cinema. It's difficult, and in this generation it's too difficult to make a producer a movie in 4 languages, that too Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu and Hindi. So, and it's my first experience that one single movie which I acted is going in all the 4 languages. So I'm very privileged and happy to be a part of Mamangam, and it's my great experience, learning experience in Mamangam. My character is like Unni Neeli, typical Devadasi kind of attire and all. So I had I had my portion in typical the traditional house. We call mana or taravadu. We can spell like that.
Mana is in Telugu also.
Mana, yeah, mana
No,
is
Mana
like
is
a traditional
ours.
house.
But in Kannada, Mana is house.
Mana. We call it mana or
Mana in
taravadu. Like
Telugu is
most
our.
of my portions.
Ours.
Yeah.
Ours.
Mana means ours in Telugu. Mana means it's a house, taravadu, like a palace. Yeah, so most of my sequences are shot in a palace. So it was also a set. Actually, we had a 4 to 5 set, like a typical traditional temple set, the war set, the mana which called the palace, and we had some other like fight sequence set also. So and few forest also we shot for the movie for Unni's fight sequences and all. And we got like very beautiful sceneries in Kerala's, like
It will be a visual
beautiful
treat as well. I mean,
sceneries like we got,
like Mamuka
and
said, there's
captured
no-
nicely by cameraman Manoj Pilla sir. And the lighting pattern we used in the cinema is like kind of a Kama Sutra kind of lighting, which gives more lascium and more beautiful sequences for this Devadasi kind of sequences. So the making was amazing, and it was a completely learning experience for me, Mamangam.
ముకుందన్ గారు మీరు చెప్పండి, అంటే మీరు మోహన్ లాల్ గారితో వర్క్ చేశారు అండ్ అలాగే మమ్ముట్టి సార్తో వర్క్ చేశారు. వాట్స్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ మోహన్ లాల్ గారు అండ్ మమ్ముట్టి గారు?
See, differences, there will be many, but I'll tell you the one thing that I found extremely.
I'll tell Mohanlal if you tell anything again.
I'll talk about the similarities. I'll tell you how it is, because I was lucky enough to start my career with Mamuka. I've done all sorts of characters. Like this would be one of the best. I played his brother. I played a villain to him. With Lalaton, the main reason I did Janata Garage was to have an opportunity to work with him also. So when I worked with Lalaton and having worked with Mamuka, the one thing that is so strikingly common among these two superstars is that the urge to be in front of the camera and to enjoy the craft. See, he is one of the most, we have, to be very frank, how Kerala says is the most manly heroes on screen. When you talk about, he's very modest about it, but when you speak about Mamuka, the females in Kerala or even the male, they resonate a lot of manliness with Mamuka. So with Mamangam, when the posters came out with him, with the feminine touch to his physique. what
God,
we call
and
it?
his performance was effortless. Trust me, I've shot
And
with
the
him in
character
those
So
in that getup. It was outstanding.
So I mean, like there's lot of thing that the audiences can expect from the movie.
And me and Prachi had that combination with that character, that attire also, like with that Mamuka's.
Mamuka has killed it.
Even
Absolutely.
Mamuka looks better and beautiful than
I don't
us.
So I don't know if other actors have done it or attempted it here in any language. I'm not very aware of it, but I think of late I've not
I have
seen
beard, I have
anyone
bush,
doing it.
Everything, but
But nobody has the
He's not a
guts to
female,
carry
actually.
this kind of characters.
He's not a female actually, he's effeminate, he's a man only. But effeminate, he has his beard, he has mush, everything is there, long hair, but he behaves like a female.
But the lascium and the expression Mamuka when gives on in front of the screen, it's amazing actually. I was like, oh, shocked. And observing his expressions and everything.
this is
Like, it was amazing.
అంటే మామంగంలో మమ్ముట్టి సార్ ఓన్లీ వారియర్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ గెటప్ లోనే కనిపిస్తారు అనుకున్నా, బట్ సీక్రెట్ గెటప్ ఇంకోటి ఉంది అనమాట. ఐ ఫీస్ లైక్
Mamangam is not just a war movie. It discusses a lot about the
Human
mindset,
emotions,
the
characters,
mindsets. Yeah.
Culture, art.
Sacrifices of people.
The king, he's not a king actually. He's not a king at all. It is about again more.
పాలగారు ఆర్
Yeah, he is again a warrior.
ఓకే.
But there is some.
యు ట్రై టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు సార్ ప్లీజ్.
కష్టం.
Chala.
I say kuruchu kuruchu. When they ask me in
That is
Malayalam.
Malayalam.
That's what I'm saying. When they ask me in Malayalam,
తెలుగు రాదండి.
సార్
తెలుగు రాదు.
డబ్బింగ్ మీరు చెప్పి తెలుగు రాదు అంటే ఎలా సార్?
తెలుగు ఓన్లీ డబ్బింగ్ రాదు. డబ్బింగ్లో
డబ్బింగ్ లో వస్తుంది.
వస్తుంది.
ఐ మీన్ డబ్బింగ్ వస్తుంది.
how do you feel my dubbing in this trailer?
వెరీ నైస్ సార్.
Thank you. It is actually, I should thank Mr. Srinivas who actually attended my dubbing. He was the engineer. He supported me a lot, even from For Yatra, and my writers there. And of course, my portions were translated by and my Yatra director Mahivi Raghav and another guy Samrat. He's again a writer. He actually translated the lines for Telugu. And I liked the language. I love it. It's supposed to the Italian of the East.
మమ్ముట్టి సార్ అండ్ మీ 3 మెంబర్స్ అంటే ముకుందంది, అచ్యుతన్ని, మీది అంతా కూడా ట్రైలర్లో కానీ పోస్టర్లో కానీ చూస్తుంటే వారియర్ గెటప్స్లో మేము చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం. అంటే మీ ముగ్గురికి ఉన్న కనెక్షన్ ఏంటి? మీ మధ్యలో ఉన్న రిలేషన్ ఏంటి? ఇట్స్ ఎ సీక్రెట్.
You should wait for the movie to release.
At least one thing.
all that ఒకటి
How
reveal.
we all are related. That's a nice question, but we cannot reveal it. He is only Mukundan and or Achyutan is how I am related to my character is related to them, and how I am related to these girls. Let it be suspense.
Yeah.
Another 2 maximum 1 more week.
సార్ ఇలాంటి ఒక రియల్ వండర్ని తీయాలంటే డెఫినెట్గా ప్రొడక్షన్ వాల్యూస్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. బడ్జెట్ కావచ్చు, అది తీసే ప్రతి విషయం, సెట్, ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్నీ కూడా చాలా హ్యూజ్ థింగ్స్ కావాలి. మరి ఈ ఫిలిం
This actually this subject was chosen by the producer himself, and actually this has been written in so many variations. So many people wrote about this because this comes in the history. So many writings are available. So you can take any part, any portion, anything, any character, anything from that. Like we have like your mythology. It's like the history. You can choose. You can select some characters and make a story. Simple. You can make this can be a series of movies. You can go for another part. Story
Like a
of
web
some
series
other
also.
warriors.
Yes.
Story of some other warriors.
నెక్స్ట్ 19th
Mamangam
century.
2 also. Mamangam 2.
Mamanga 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 you can make.
సో ఫైనల్లీ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ కి ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు? అండ్ తెలుగులో మరొక స్ట్రైట్ ఫిలిం ఏమన్నా చేయబోతున్నారా ప్లీజ్?
No more films. This is my next Telugu film after Yatra with my own voice.
ఎనీ స్ట్రైట్ ఫిలిం సార్ ఫర్దర్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్?
అందరూ చూడండి.
ఎనీవేస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మమ్ముట్టి సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you so much,
అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
Sonia.
సో మచ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. మమంగం మేము సీరియస్గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం బికాజ్ కేరళలోని ఒక హిస్టరీ, ఒక రియల్ హిస్టరీని తొందరలోనే ఒక గ్రాండ్ విజువల్ రూపంలో చూడబోతున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్.
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.